what is mathematics? If you think mathematics is about sitting at a desk doing formula, think again. I am going to prove to you that maths can be exciting, useful and relevant. I'm going to put a simple proposition to some innocent passers-by. A quick question. Imagine you've got a sheet of newspaper, you tear it in half, you put those two pieces together, you tear that in half, you put those two pieces together, you do that 50 times. Do you have any idea how high the pile would be?
How high the
Pile of newspaper would be?
I reckon pretty bloody big.
Tear that pile in half and put the sides together, tear that pile in half, put the sides together each time. You do that 50 times, approximately, how high do you think that pile would be?
10 stories.
How high do you think the pile of papers would be? That?
10 centimetres? But this high? Skyscraper?
It's 100 times as high.
It's 113 million kilometres high.
Oh,
Holy hell.
1 metre?
113 million kilometres high.
Oh, very high.
Really?
3/4 of the way to the
No, I
sun.
wouldn't believe that.
How high is the pile, approximately?
2 to the power 50.
2 to the power of 50. And do you know how much that works out to be?
Lots and lots of noughts.
Now you're thinking to yourself, how can I work out questions like these? You can solve an entire range of problems by using the two basic tools of mathematical thinking, pattern and proof. If we look at the world around us, we see all sorts of patterns, and the type of thinking we use when we look for patterns is called inductive thinking. But sometimes we see patterns that aren't there, or patterns that aren't correct. So we need to justify or prove the results we find. The type of thinking we use when we prove results is called deductive thinking. With this, we can establish that a pattern we found is in fact true. The two methods of thinking, inductive for finding patterns and deductive for proving results, are both necessary, and together they make up mathematical thinking. These basic concepts are used throughout all areas of mathematics, in geometry, number, measurement, chance and data, algebra, functions and calculus. Once these basic ideas are understood, they can be applied in very practical ways.